Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Samiha from Cook with Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious jelly cake. If you're new to my channel, make sure to click that subscribe button if you like what I do here, and also click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Now without further ado, let's get on to the video. Firstly, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to 4 eggs. Then blend it all together. The next step is to blend 200 grams of sugar. This part is totally optional, but I recommend doing it because it makes your job way easier. Then add the sugar into the blended egg and vanilla mixture. After it's blended, add 150 milliliters of oil and blend again. In a separate cup, add 200 grams of flour and add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and mix it well. Then add 1/4 of 100 milliliters of milk and mix it well. Then sift the flour and baking powder into the egg mixture and mix well. By the way, make sure to add your flour and baking powder mixture little by little as you go. The same goes with the milk. Mix and add more. Then take your batter and add half into a separate bowl. Just for fun, I decided to add color to my batter, so I chose green for a really nice light green and red for a really nice bubbly pink. The next step is to grease your mold with some oil. Then pour your batter into the mold. Bake your cake in 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Then bake the top part in 180 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. For the jelly part, add 1 full cup of water to your pot. Then add 3 full packets or 85 grams of jelly powder into your water. After that, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. After that, take a fork and poke holes into the cake. Then add any type of fruit juice into the cake. Then chop any type of fruit and add it into the bottom of the mold. Take your jelly and add it into the mold over your fruit. As you can see, I've cut off the bottom of the cake so it can fit better into the mold. Now take your jelly mixture and add it carefully into the side of your mold. Then freeze until it's set. Now take a plate and add hot water. Take the cake with the mold and place it on top of the plate. Place a dish on top of the cake mold and flip it over. Now serve and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!